All right, hopefully the audio is working as well as the video. So I'm going into web indexing and I'm getting a batch of the Native American census rolls to index. Windows 10, Chrome, see if I can move this around. Should this image be indexed? Next. First I'm going to count up the number that are in this. It actually looks like about 45. I can adjust that later. I'm switching to column entry. I'm using Control right arrow to switch between the columns. In the interest of time, I'm not going to finish this column, but I'm going to go to the next one. And same with this. I'm going to go to the next column and see if I can get any errors to pop up. Now, here's the first error. I'm trying to type Polly, but it pops up with Maskowit, which you may recall was the surname in the column for the surnames. So something's traveling. I type Polly the rest of the way and press Tab. Then I'm going to type May. It wants me to have Maskowit. I finished May and press my Tab key. Now I'm going to type Peter. I got lucky with Peter. I want to type Jane and I'm getting Mozart. Mozart is Jane's surname. Now if I pressed my Enter key, well, it worked. That surprised me. I thought I'd have to do Tab. But you see the pattern that's going on here. The auto-suggest is popping up suggestions from the surname column, which was to the left. Whoop, that time it didn't take what I wanted. And the common bug of it forgetting to auto-cap if you erase anything. So now I'm going to try to get rows, and I'm going to use my Tab key to make sure I get rows. So now I'm going to go on to the next, and oh, that's weird. Okay, Indian name. Let's go to the sex column. I don't expect anything's going to happen here, but we'll find out. M, enter, F, enter, F, enter, M, enter, F, enter, M, enter, F, enter, etc. So that one's doing okay. Control right arrow. Now I'm going to come into the age column. When I type the 3 for the age 30, it's offering me M. M was the first entry in the column to the left, so I'm going to show you that. See, it's offering me M. So MF, MFF, MF, MF. 30. I can get that right. When I type the 4, it's going to offer me an F. Well, I was wrong. It offered me an M. It's stuck on M. 33. Now, if I forget and I press my enter key, it's going to enter that M into the field. Okay, 33, tab, 40, tab, 11, tab. I think you get the picture. It's doing just what the other two batches were doing. It's offering me suggestions based on the column to the left of the one I'm typing in. And if the column to the left is vacant, so let's say birth year's vacant, if I wanted to type something in tribe, oh man, I thought it was going to behave. No, it's offering me the auto suggestions, the drop-down menu from the column to the left. So if I want to type Apache, it wants me to choose single, married, widowed, or divorced. Just like you would, oh, not the column to the left. Another column, let's just say. So when I was typing Apache, it was giving me from the suggestions from the column to the right. So let's go back to the left, and let's try Apache with an enter is okay. Apache with a tab, but it doesn't matter what I want to type. It's giving me the wrong suggestions. I'm going to clear that out because there aren't any tribes. And when I come into marital status, we don't have it for most of these. When you come down to record 4 and 5, you could say they're married because they're husband and wife. So let's see what happens when I type M. Let's see what happens if I wanted to type an S. So that column is behaving. I'll clear that out. Relationship to head. Father, daughter, daughter. That one's behaving. Last census number. This record doesn't have a last census number, but I'm going to pretend it does and that it's 750. Oh, the gremlins are here too. I can go ahead and type 750, but then I'm going to have to press tab. Let's try 751 and enter. Whoops, gave me daughter. 751, tab. We don't have these, so I'll clear them out. So I hope that's enough. That was kind of fun. Where's the stop button?